we don't deserve tonight nothing especially positive. We didn't play a good game. For be honest, we didn't be clinical in opposite box. We created some chances, but without be clinical for another side. They take off us from the pitch with the speed, with the power, be more solid than us. We have his first experience for us. Consider the goals is after offensive transition of the opposite goal, and we are in this kind of the situation. Didn't be enough strong, enough quick, enough good, and at the end, in total, today was our poor performance. We don't deserve nothing than defeat. Of course, we are disappointed, especially for bring with us 5,000 people and offer them this poor level is not good for us. Like it's not good for them too.
Does it alarm you how weak the defending was then against a Blackburn Rovers team who conceded 7 on Wednesday night, but Sheffield United kind of opened themselves up? It seemed quite easy for Blackburn to get through today.
Okay, we have our chances. We start the game well. We scored the goal, but after that we didn't be enough with enough energy on the field, and they simple from push and running behind of us created a lot of the problems for my team. It's simple. It's not a situation what we are managed at the beginning of this season. We didn't consider the goal after the transition, but today, after always where they start the run from half pitch, start to be complicated for us. At the end, we need to avoid this kind of the situation. Be more solid, more organized. At the end, today we are considered the goal so easy, like you said before. They can score some goal more.
If I was to make the point that a lot of Sheffield United fans are making, that they are worried that this midfield in its current pairing is weak, how would you respond to that?
He's keep working. This is my team. I must do choice players from my team. They have some strengths, some weaknesses. Of course, we are not more solid and strongest team, but I must to play with characteristic of my players and choice what I believe is best choice for us. For some position we don't have the lot of the solution. I can change strikers for strikers and strikers for strikers, but if you try change the people who play on the side, is more complicated for us. Anyway, we know it's not enough good. Especially it's hard defeat tonight for us, because I can in some games complain like we can do something. We can find it more positive things in the game. But today, yes, we have some chances. Even it's in the beginning of the second half, we have scored a goal for second goal for being better position. We are created something, but it's not clean. It's not something what really we are doing in organized way. And we must be more calm. Don't lose the number of the unforced mistakes was huge today. After this kind of the situation, without any need, we need to run backwards for avoid the transition, and we need to first of all is keep working hard and do everything for to improve our performance.
Do you think the players have faith in themselves in this formation and in this way you want them to play? And the second part of that question is, do you look at it and think, whilst I don't have the players to play that I want to play, should we consider playing some of in a different type of way?
And listen, I play what I believe is best way for us. That's it. It's simple. This is question is one shape, another shape. We lost the game and win the game in the different shapes. At the end is, of course, we need to check what is best for us, be pragmatic and try best way for survive this kind of the situation. What we find it tonight, it's simple. Can be different shape and similar result. We need to keep working and tested everything what we believe is positive direction for us. I believe this team have enough quality for play better than we play tonight, and then we play some games before, and at the end is insist and working and be optimistic for expect better afternoons than we play tonight.
Do you think though that this squad, as it currently stands, can have a crack at the playoffs then, given what they are doing, given the fact that they're conceding late goals? I mean, admittedly that's not happened today. There's all sorts of problems that they're themes, aren't they, now at the start of this season? We're in November near enough, and these types of things keep happening.
I believe we have the squad for fighting for different things than we are fighting actually right now. It's simple. What we must do it be calm and continue the work. We can talking about panicking the situation, about some revolution. This is my squad. I will 100% working hard with them for try better way for avoid this situation than we find it today. And exists a lot of if you give up now and we are starting about next season or something like this without trust, we have enough power, enough knowledge for fighting for more important things. It's early for us. I trust we can do better football. I trust we can win the games. I trust we can fighting for the try find a way for be promoted this season.
Even in that respect and in that challenge, then even now, is it a massive January for the board then to give you what you think you require to get this team in those circumstances?
Listen, I don't need talking about January right now. We are working. We need to make it our plans before the January. It's November and December. Of course time is going quick. We need to check how we can support the team for play better football and for be more successful. It's not necessary I come back with same speech about what I can do or what I cannot do. I mean, where I manage the game. No, I'm not talking about transfer windows. Sometimes don't exist different solution for the team, and you can stay or you must stay with same players even if they are not perform specially so good. This kind of the situation, this why kind of the problem. Of course, we can fix it some part in the January transfer window. I hope we will do some important step for us. For another side is, of course, I am disappointed, especially disappointed for 5,000 people is follow us in this away game, and we didn't offer them nothing. But for another side, I trust this team can fighting for different target, and it's now it's in our hands at the end. It's always in our hands for don't explain in some wrong direction. But this performance is simple is not acceptable for us. This level is so low, and is with all respect for the Blackburn, is really young team, and they push us from the field with power, with be more solid, more competitive, and some detail where we make it some mistake or don't make it mistakes. Of course, we need to improve, but attitude must be in completely different level.